Welcome to the Kindergarten Math Challenge. Ready to test your subtraction skills? What is 4 minus 0? The answer is 4. What is 8 minus 3? The answer is 5. What is 7 minus 2? The answer is 5. What is 10 minus 7? The answer is 3. What is 9 minus 6? The answer is 3. What is 5 minus 2? The answer is 3. What is 10 minus 5? The answer is 5. What is 8 minus 1? The answer is 7. What is 7 minus 4? The answer is 3. What is 9 minus 2? The answer is 7. What is 6 minus 3? The answer is 3. What is 5 minus 1? The answer is 4. What is 10 minus 2? The answer is 8. What is 8 minus 5? The answer is 3. What is 7 minus 1? The answer is 6. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is 6. What is 6 minus 2? The answer is 4. What is 5 minus 0? The answer is 5. What is 10 minus 4? The answer is 6. What is 8 minus 2? The answer is 6. What is 7 minus 3? The answer is 4. What is 9 minus 1? The answer is 8. What is 6 minus 4? The answer is 2. What is 5 minus 3? The answer is 2. What is 10 minus 1? The answer is 9. What is 8 minus 4? The answer is 4. What is 7 minus 5? The answer is 2. What is 9 minus 5? The answer is 4. What is 6 minus 0? The answer is 6. What is 5 minus 4? The answer is 1. What is 10 minus 3? The answer is 7. What is 8 minus 6? The answer is 2. What is 7 minus 6? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 7? The answer is 2. What is 6 minus 5? The answer is 1. What is 10 minus 6? The answer is 4. What is 8 minus 7? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 8? The answer is 1. What is 10 minus 0? The answer is 10. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.